glass of wine on a Thursday night. What more could I want from life?
Hello. It is Saturday here in London and the weather is just classic. It's gloomy, it's rainy, it's grey. It's honestly been like that for the last few days and it sucked. It's really sucked, I'm not gonna lie. It's been raining non-stop and it's just been miserable. But despite that, today is Saturday and I'm gonna go head to the market today. I'm gonna go to Spitalfields Markets, check out Brick Lane because I haven't been there yet, check out the vintage markets, maybe buy some things. And then there's also a cinnamon scroll place that I've had saved for ages. It's called Roll Boys, but they're only open on Saturdays and Sundays and I haven't checked it out yet. So today I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try to get a cinnamon scroll and I'll obviously give you a review. So let's go enjoy Saturday. Let's try to get out of this gloom. I'm not gonna lie, it's been raining here in London for 2 weeks straight and I'm so over it. This is just ridiculous. 2 weeks straight, not a day without rain.
That is delicious. Very sweet.
What did you get?
So good.
Okay, I got the birthday cake matcha with strawberry cold foam. Wait, I feel like I need a sip from the top. Ooh. Whoa. It's kind of like really creamy. So it's like the cold foam's so sweet that the matcha doesn't taste sweet. Oh. Do you see this weather right now? The sun is literally out. What the heck? It's still February today, but the sun has come out and it's going to be a top of 17 degrees today. 17 degrees. That is just so random for February. It's been like 11, 12 degrees and today's going to be 17. Best believe I'm going out and enjoying the sunshine today. Look at it. Hey, I have not picked up my camera in so long. It's actually been days and days, hence why this video is over a couple of months long. To be honest, I've been kind of in the dumps. Yeah, I've been in the dumps. As you can see in this vlog so far, as I always only video when it's good weather, today is a sunny day, so I'm going outside. I'm gonna go to my nearest park, which is Ravenscourt Park. It's a beautiful park that I walk through every day and it's really nice. So I'm gonna sit there, I'm gonna journal, I'm gonna read my book, I'm gonna enjoy the sunshine. And this week is gonna be nice weather, guys. Nice weather. It's gonna be like 17, 18 sunny every day, which, oh my goodness, vitamin D, lacking it.
When the world grows heavy on my chest, your arms remind me where my heart can rest.
We're at Camden Market. We're trying the famous Yorkshire burrito, which has got the beef and the cheese and potatoes and gravy and everything. So let's try it.
Good.
This is so good. Oh my, it's yum. It's like peppery.
Oh yeah, I'm really tender.
So good.
I got birria beef mac right here.
Birria.
It's so hot. Let me try. You get like a good.
Oh golly, the cheese is crazy. Oh my god, really good.
Wow. You want to try?
Yeah.
Look at that.
This one's cookie dough with ice cream. Oh my goodness.
I don't even remember what I got. Okay, we're gonna get a little
Covered
bit
in Nutella ice cream.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get some of this.
Oh my god, unreal.
Unreal.
Unreal. So they've just freshly baked it, so it's doughy. Okay, covered in Nutella, are you kidding? Bruh.
It's so good. Are they so good?
Ready is ready to depart. Please mind the doors. Stand clear. Mind the closing doors, please.
Good morning, welcome to a new day in London. Today I've headed out to Soho and I'm just sitting at a cute little coffee shop that has a whole courtyard. So I'm going to sit here, I'm going to read a little bit, journal, have a coffee, and then I'm going to go on a food tour of Chinatown. So come and join me.
Okay, I can't lie, those dumplings were the most mid thing I've ever had, but now I'm trying good fried chicken, which is, I think it's like chili garlic type chicken. I just said give me your bestseller, so she gave me that. Pretty good. I've been wanting to find a good bingsu place in London. This is, bear in mind this cost 35 AUD. 35, but worth it. It's Saturday night here in London, so that means movie night. I'm gonna go to Westfield and I'm gonna go watch Reminders of Him, and I'm just gonna have a little solo date. I'm gonna get a burger, I'm gonna watch my movie, I'm gonna have something sweet, and I'm gonna enjoy my Saturday night. I feel like when it gets to the weekends, it's hard if you don't have plans, because especially for me, I'm like, I want to see people, I want to do stuff. If I'm not doing something, I'm like crashing out because it's a weekend, I should be seeing people. But I think I'm learning to be a bit more comfortable in just, it's another day. Yeah, it's Saturday, but it's another day. You can just do something alone again. I'm going to enjoy my little solo date to the movies. So let's go. Yeah, I'm trying a little ube vlog sandwich. That's so good. It's a Sunday side quest, and today I've come out to Box Hill Hiking Trail. It feels so nice to be out of the city and touch some grass. So I'm just gonna wander along this trail, soak in not being in London and just soak in the greenery because it's so beautiful. Let's go. I've made it to the top. Those stairs nearly killed me. That was so hard, can you tell because how red I am, but wow. It feels so good to be in green space, oh my goodness. I cannot tell you how good it feels to be outside the city. I have no idea where I am. I'm literally just following this path, hoping that it takes me back to the station, but there's no one around. Gosh, feels good, dude, to just breathe in some fresh air. And this reminds me so much of Belgrave. I feel like I'm home. It's so nice. When I first moved to London, it was so chaotic and I found it so hard to adjust to the chaos because it's loud, there's trains, there's buses, there's people everywhere. But I just adjusted to it and now that's my normal. Whereas coming back out into nature, it feels so good to be reconnected again because I feel like I've disconnected from that part of myself because I'm so used to city living now. But being out here,
No one around, birds chirping. I literally feel alive. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. I'm so glad I did this today because I woke up and I was like, oh, it's such an effort. I really can't be bothered, but how rewarding is this? Not a soul in sight. Hoping I don't get murdered. I've been walking for about 2 hours now, so I'm just gonna follow this trail all the way back, and then I guess I'll get the train back. Really easy. It's only an hour from London, Victoria, straight on the train, £10, super simple to get to, and you get to see all this. Look at this. I'm so happy. I'm so glad I did this. I freaking love nature. This is kind of making me feel like I need to frolic. Like I need to start skipping. Look at this. Oh, I think I just need to touch a tree. Oh. Gosh, it feels good. That's exactly what I needed to do. Just frolic, dude. Frolic. I've been walking for almost 3 hours now. Nah, I'm tired. But I see there's a coffee shop on my route back to the train station, so let's go get a well-deserved coffee. That was a really cool cafe that had wood-fired pizzas, burgers, chips and such, but it's starting to rain, so I'm heading home.
My TV,